Right, bike check. Starting with ODI grips, Amity bars, Savage stem, Wethepeople NV forks, Wethepeople feeling tyre. Just got just a crap front wheel really, nothing serious. Primo pegs, Wethepeople NV frame, got a nitrous fat seat, infinity crank, salt sprocket, you can see that, just a crap chain, does the job, T4 pedals, anything, just the Salt Plus rear wheel, hub, Primo thingy on the back again, and just a crazy bob tyre. Going across to my mate.
Right, we'll start with the same way as he did. Right, ODI grips, ODI bar ends as well. Then you've got the Wethepeople bars with a Eastern Strangler stem, top load as well. My blank generation forks, if you can see that. My fit bike pegs. And I don't know if you've seen my video before, but this is my homemade hub guard. That's my Salt female hub. You can see here, female. With my proper rim with Primo spokes, and that's just a shit tyre. To be fair, I don't know what crank arms they are. Brought them off a friend. Do the job. All I know is they're heat treated. E-cut pedals. Nice, spin well. Going on to my rear. This is Alienation Black Sheep rim. I don't have a clue what spokes these ones are. It's a left-hand drive counterfeit hub. If you look here, it's a stolen sprocket. Savage pivotal seat with federal pivotal seat post. I nearly put that up then. And yeah, my rear tyre is Odyssey, as you can see here. My frame is a Wethepeople 4 Seasons 2009, and my bottom bracket, if you look here, is stolen revolver. Well, this is our double bike check. Thanks for watching.